Hello and welcome back to Brain Masters Hub channel, the ultimate place to test your knowledge and have fun while learning. Today, we have an exciting challenge for you: 50 mind-blowing biology questions that will put your brain to the test. Can you answer them all? Let's find out. Before we begin, I challenge you can't score 45 out of 50. Comment your score at the end, and let's see. If you love to challenge your knowledge with fun quizzes, hit that like and subscribe button now. Let's go. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Ribosome. C. Nucleus. The answer is mitochondria. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Heart. The answer is heart. What gas do plants take in for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. The answer is carbon dioxide. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A. B positive. B. O negative. C. AB positive. The answer is O negative. What is the basic unit of life? A. Tissue. B. Cell. C. Organ. The answer is cell. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. Fight infections. C. Digest food. B. Transport oxygen. The answer is transport oxygen. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin C. The answer is vitamin D. What organ helps filter waste from the blood? A. Stomach. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. The answer is kidney. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? A. Leaves. B. Roots. C. Stem. The answer is leaves. Which of the following animals lays eggs? A. Dolphin. B. Dog. C. Platypus. The answer is platypus. Which macromolecule is primarily responsible for storing genetic information? A. Protein. B. DNA. C. Carbohydrate. The answer is DNA. What is the name of the pigment that gives plants their green color? A. Hemoglobin. B. Melanin. C. Chlorophyll. The answer is chlorophyll. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebellum. B. Cerebrum. C. Medulla. The answer is cerebellum. What type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. The answer is arteries. Which of these is not a type of muscle in the human body? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Elastic muscle. The answer is elastic muscle. Which part of a flower produces pollen? A. Sepal. B. Anther. C. Petal. The answer is anther. What is the name of the process by which cells divide into two identical daughter cells? A. Meiosis. B. Osmosis. C. Mitosis. The answer is mitosis. Which component of blood helps in clotting? A. Platelets. B. Plasma. C. White blood cells. The answer is platelets. Which organ produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Stomach. C. Pancreas. The answer is pancreas. Which part of the digestive system absorbs the most nutrients? A. Large intestine. B. Stomach. C. Small intestine. The answer is small intestine. Which enzyme breaks down starch into sugar? A. Pepsine. B. Lipase. C. Amylase. The answer is amylase. What is the longest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Tibia. C. Humerus. The answer is femur. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. The answer is nitrogen. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Aorta. B. Pulmonary artery. C. Pulmonary vein. The answer is pulmonary vein. Which type of RNA carries amino acids to the ribosome? A. tRNA. B. mRNA. C. rRNA. The answer is tRNA. Which kingdom do mushrooms belong to? A. Protista. B. Fungi. C. Plantae. The answer is fungi. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Adrenaline. The answer is insulin. What is the function of the loop of Henle in the kidney? A. Producing hormones. B. Concentrating urine. C. Filtering blood. The answer is concentrating urine. What is the primary function of white blood cells? A. Clotting blood. B. Fighting infections. C. Transporting oxygen. The answer is fighting infections. What system in the body controls movement and coordination? A. Digestive system. B. Nervous system. C. Respiratory system. Are you learning something? Click the subscribe button now for more. What is the term for animals that maintain a constant internal body temperature? A. Endotherms. B. Ectotherms. C. Amphibians. The answer is endotherms. Which scientist proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? A. Charles Darwin. B. Gregor Mendel. C. Louis Pasteur. The answer is Charles Darwin. What type of symbiotic relationship benefits both organisms? A. Parasitism. B. Commensalism. C. Mutualism. The answer is mutualism. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 150. B. 306. C. 206. The answer is 206. Which cell organelle is known as the suicide bag because it contains digestive enzymes? A. Ribosome. B. Lysosome. C. Vacuole. The answer is lysosome. What is the term for the movement of water across a selectively permeable membrane? A. Osmosis. B. Diffusion. C. Active transport. The answer is osmosis. Which plant tissue transports water? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Cambium. The answer is xylem. Which organ in humans detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Pancreas. The answer is liver. Which structure protects the ends of bones at joints? A. Ligaments. B. Tendons. C. Cartilage. The answer is cartilage. What is the liquid part of blood called? A. Plasma. B. Platelets. C. Hemoglobin. The answer is plasma. Which part of the skin contains sweat glands? A. Epidermis. B. Dermis. C. Hypodermis. The answer is dermis. Which part of the ear is responsible for balance? A. Cochlea. B. Semicircular canals. C. Eardrum. The answer is semicircular canals. Which hormone controls the menstrual cycle? A. Adrenaline. B. Insulin. C. Estrogen. The answer is estrogen. Which structure helps prevent food from entering the windpipe? A. Epiglottis. B. Larynx. C. Uvula. The answer is epiglottis. Which nerve connects the eye to the brain? A. Optic nerve. B. Olfactory nerve. C. Facial nerve. The answer is optic nerve. What is the function of bile in digestion? A. Absorb nutrients. B. Break down protein. C. Emulsify fats. The answer is emulsify fats. Which system in the body controls hormones? A. Nervous system. B. Endocrine system. C. Skeletal system. The answer is endocrine system. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory? A. Medulla. B. Cerebellum. C. Hippocampus. The answer is hippocampus. Which cells in the pancreas produce insulin? A. Delta cells. B. Alpha cells. C. Beta cells. The answer is beta cells.